In this video, I'm going to talk about best affiliate programs in 2021 which anyone can join and start making commissions. Hello everyone, my name is Hansu. Stay till the end of this video to get free bonuses and free consulting with me. So let's dive into this video. The first affiliate program in our list is Amazon Associate. Amazon is the well-known website in the whole world, and Amazon also sells hundreds of millions of products every single day using their website. Amazon also offers you an affiliate program which is called Amazon Associate. Amazon Associate gives you 1 to 10% of commission depending on the product you are promoting. Amazon have the reputation in the market and people are so much comfortable buying from Amazon. You have seen YouTubers giving Amazon affiliate link in their description for the product or the recommended product they use. That is affiliate link which will help them to make and earn commission if someone buy through their link. Second in our list is ActiveCampaign. ActiveCampaign is an email marketing software which helps in automating email responses and sending emails in bulk. Whenever someone create a website or create a marketing funnel, they need an email marketing software because they cannot themselves or manually send emails to every single customer who joins their list. ActiveCampaign is going to pay you 30% of commission every single month till that person keep using their software. Third in our list is Clickfunnels. Clickfunnels is a sales funnel builder. Sales funnel is basically a process which helps us in converting a random person and convert them into a regular paying client. Clickfunnels basically helps us in creating these sales funnel process without any technical knowledge, any coding knowledge or any experience with its drag and drop software. Clickfunnels affiliate program pay you 40% of commission every single month till that person keep using Clickfunnels software. They also have a training program where top affiliates are going to teach you their secret strategy which you can copy and start making commissions. I'll drop the link for the training in the description. Fourth in our list is TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy helps in keyword research, tag research, A/B testing and much more. TubeBuddy is going to pay you 50% of commission every single month till that person keep using TubeBuddy which you have referred to them. Fifth in our list is Teachable. Teachable is an online learning platform and Teachable will pay you 30% of commission if anyone join a course with your affiliate link. Teachable pay you checks every single month till that person stay with the Teachable platform. So this was my video on top best affiliate programs in 2021 which anyone can join and start making commissions. I am giving free consulting with me and 14 bonuses if anyone join One Funnel Away challenge from the link in the description. In One Funnel Away challenge, they will teach you, hold you by hand and show you step by step and help you with your affiliate marketing journey. So just give us a mail and we'll get back to you with all your bonuses. Thank you so much for watching my video till now. Please leave a comment so I can improve my videos in the future, and see you in the next video. Peace.